Hence, you know, with Dala Besenzan, like we used to bring beats and time they beat Leo 10. Power Pussy and Pistols, the title of my first album. I bought it. Like being into drugs was a suicide mission as well for me, because there was a point whereby I was suicidal, like straight up. So much I'm doesn't. I sign the vocal, I sign the mix, and it takes time to in coward. Since I'm finished coward, let me try these poisons and everything. Should I get? That's why I stress my drugs. Sometimes I wonder about a call and they were scared to death. Yo, was recorded in your house, but we need to keep his palm. We are recorded. I can shoot you, just keep. I say, we're listening to him recording.
Mujapilo no JP Forest phakathi kweQuantum sirenga wonke umzansi boy isukile boy.
Let's go right to the sound of good time.
Another day, another dollar, another podcast, another episode, another opportunity to inspire and transform lives. Eitawola Shakfeli, welcome to another exciting episode of the Quantum Podcast. I-podcast asekasi, i-podcast yomphakathi, i-podcast yabantu, i-podcast yomhlaba wonke jikelele. Bafethu, we are coming to you live from here, Food for Life in People section eThembisa, 1632, eKasi lamakasi. Bafethu, vandaag sivana nenkosi yaseThembisa, inkosi yerap. Abo, sicacise ukuthi inkosi yani. So, abaningi bayamcava, akhona ama 2000 angamcava. That's why vandaag simbize azwakale ngayini. Umjito oqala washaya iThembisa anthem. Ingoma bedlala ko wonke ama Zola Party, ingoma bedlala ko wonke ama Venture, ingoma bedlala ko wonke ama Quantum. Awuthiyami. Abaningi abayicava into engiringangayo. But bazocava. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Mighty Paragon. Mighty P.
Hola, Togi.
Ranger.
He's a Mighty P.
Welcome to Quantum Podcast.
Thanks for having me.
Jayam, unyamalele yo.
Kanti ngizwakele.
Kanjalo uku.
Eshinkhona face in the pipeline. Musically I've never stopped.
Okay.
I've been working, pushing projects and everything. Yeah, I'm calling it basically.
Last recorder mashuta Reptile besiringa ngawe. Na 2 weeks back this shooter Mickey M besiringa ngawe. Akekho umrap wasekasi ongazwakala angamenshini igama lakho.
Obvious, most definitely.
Yeah, ngizwena ku reason baringa ngawe. Uline number futhi bakushange shout out kuyo yabo ngathi la mchita lo. Na vele ishayile yakhe mark.
Feel singasho ukuthi like I've been supported, cool, very strong.
Before confuse abantu uthiyami yabo. First confuse abantu ukuthi sizokwazi ukuplaka la 2000 yabo.
Sure.
So grand ubani Paragon?
Paragon is a rap artist from eThembisa. Producer, composer, but just straight up I'm a rapper, I'm an MC.
Sure.
An artist.
All right. Igama lamampelo bani? Mawufika emhlabeni ukubize ngobani?
Okay. My government name, okay. Wandile. Sibongo Gama.
Sure.
Mxhosa.
Sure.
Siduko ngoDikela uMqwathi. No.
Okay.
For those who know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gama ngoWandile Gama.
Uzalelwa Paragon?
Ngizalelwa eSoweto eBhara mfethu.
Basikhuluma ngamaBhara boys aboProkiti. Nabo now the Bhara boys.
But I was raised like Thembisa. I figured out Thembisa 86, around 86.
Feeling to have blind. That's why I really look pale flag uzophakamisa. You life recover.
Yeah, you wanna like
you sure? Asibuyele emuva. Jayam. Paragon makakhulu kasi bekayenza. Ngihlale ngenza example ngedisk because of isikhulile eKasi yabo, especially makuzo interview umuntu waseKasi. Makuzo interview umuntu wasesababa ngizokhuluma ngento eyenzakala ngadayo angithola. Thina masidlala idisk siyintwana Paragon bekathuna.
I was almost in that level, I'm like njengentwana yaseKasi ngithola ngidlalile ngama-kite, ngama-ela, ngama-top. Khulile njengentwana yaselokishi very like in accordance to into ezenzeka elokishini and everything. Idisk bengincane itim. That was my first love, idisk, because me and my brother besincane idisk. So
Wow, come on.
umancane.
Oh, okay.
Ngimlandele.
Sure.
So like yeah, idisk ngisho ngithi iyo into engayi-pinpoint as something that we grew up doing.
Sure.
But nokunye-ke like yabo.
I'm glad ukuthi uphakamise ama-kite, ama-ela, amatopu, yabo. So zonke lento lezi sisishwile eKasi yabo because of manje lento le siyaprove ukuthi vele lo mjida lo ukhulile eKasi deep yabo. So yini into obuntu emngane? Because of like normal abantu abafana nawe abangama-genius, ama-Wade and stuff. Kuyenzeka ukuthi vele uthola ukuthi almost yonke into ayenzile from intwana beka-excel kubo. Sure.
Ngiqale ngalo idisk fair yabo. But throughout the journey yami yedisk ngaba captured ngendaba music because ifamily yami like was involved with music too much yabo. Ngikhule under environment whereby ama-Grootman abantu be-music yabo. So yeah, my love for music started there, I would say. And from lapho again, I think I was 12 years, 12 to 13 somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, then again my love for music is qale lapho sithanda ukumayima ingoma zabantu. You know, back in the day there was Bart Simpson. I was not to Bart Simpson of the Simpsons. So like we used to ukumayima lezo track wabona mfethu. Ithola nje sowazi leyo ngoma yakho umuntu. But like basic music lo into vele engagcina sangifollow under kuyo.
Sure.
From a disc.
Yeah. Then ke ngoba uri ngama-Grootman ukuthi bengabantu be-music bebeshaya yiphi genre. Like bebadlala i-jazz, kwaito, whatever that was trending that time.
Ama-Grootman bowakwi-trend at that time ngithola whereby bekushawa hip-hop.
Okay.
Michael Jackson, Prince. Ngithola then alama R&B groups.
Ngibona umuntu eshaya ama-movie lapha nale voice yakhe. Ibuya la inspiration.
Ibuya la yonke la ile.
Sure.
So yeah, like it's been from there ever since like. Ma-Grootman abantu vele like bamamela your urban type of thing at that time. Ngithola.
Sure.
Njengoba ngisho ngithi pop was popular at that time.
Sure.
Michael Jackson, Prince and everything. Even R&B. It's one of the things very beshiza ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay. Siphuma kancane music sizobuya because ibalekile le point le question engifuna ukuyibuza. Ikeleziva kuma-ITP. Because of my sifuna uku-inspire nintwana zaseKasi yabo ukuthi ungageleza noma yikuphi no still ngaphumela.
Ma-ITP iqala eMqansi ukugeleza. From primary, yeah, ikhula sizwe.
Okay.
MQ eMqansa.
Sure.
Then from eMqansa zathi eBuitumelong.
Okay. Product yaseBuitumelong.
Yeah, product yaseChina.
Phela iBuitumelong produce abantu ababhaya last week.
Banyaza bobani.
Yeah, sure. Because obviously lesela ngayo last week because obviously senza ama preparation ama matric exams. So the director eKuruleni North, Mr. Makola. So like he spoke about that thing. Khuluma ngabantu abaproducile. But a whole premier is from Buitumelong. Before siyakude nje. So labantwana bamanye vele bakhuphula amasokisi because of they understand ukuthi abobana bese before bona.
Right, true that.
Sure.
That's the truth. Yeah.
Okay. Then sikhulume ngebhaki hip hop. Uthi wena ikubhayithini.
Ibhaki hip hop ngisafika nje from Buitumelong standard 6. I think it was around 92, 93, somewhere there. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi like
grade 8 ke manje.
Yeah. Okay, so we grade 8.
Sure.
It's manje. Isuke from that because like njengoba ngishilo earlier on ukuthi we used to mime abo MC Hammer and everything, abo Bart Simpson. So the bug of hip hop really started Standard 6 mangisafika nje high school nje. Ngifike vele kungokuthi hip hop was starting to be loved amongst the community, let's say. So like yeah, from that point nje, from Standard 6 ngisho nje, ukuthi we used to my tracks zabantu yabo.
Yeah.
Abo MC Hammer, abo Queen Latifah kanjalo NWA.
Yo.
Like back in the day. So like my first love for hip hop started there.
Who was your favorite artist?
My favorite artist back then was Ice-T.
Okay.
Ngazi not bengichazwa uye as a
image
yakhe or something, or legama Ice-T and everything, but like yeah, I felt him.
Okay.
Ice-T, yeah, long job.
Ukhona number yakho ikhumbulayo?
Yeah, khona enye track yakhe bathi Colors.
No, usayela malanyana few nje.
It was a soundtrack. Khona la ithi, okay, the chorus went like colors. It was like the red and blue. You're gonna like
colors.
I'm a Crips and Bloods and everything.
Sure.
Khona la ithi, you don't know me, fool. You just owe me. Cool. Like
okay. Ngiyithanda into yakhe. Yabona ukuthi urhyme kamnandi kanjani. And akekho too fast uzwa yonke ama.
Yeah, like mega fluent, but khona uzwa everything. Even though somehow besingezwe ukuthi bathini yazi thina besifaka ilanguage yethu yesilokishi.
Sure.
Isilungu sethu saselokishini.
Boyikona vele like zibhayi ingoma esisibuchara mntana. Mase so yizwa ama le ngoma ithi so yo ola lo ngithi la wrong. Wonke umuntu udlulile lapho vele.
Yeah.
Sure. Then again, siyaqala uyabhala ke. Qala nini ukubhala manje? Angisho uqala ubhizi uma ingoma zabantu. Manje uqala kanjani ukuthi ubhale ingoma?
Okay, within the process ukulibela emulator, my favorite artist Mbamai kanjalo njalo. I came to a point when I just figured, name, I can do this now by myself.
Sure.
Ngabhala my own words and rhyme and everything.
Sure.
Then I think a year after I've been into hip hop, I've been introduced into hip hop. That is the next year I come. Then I started falling in love with writing my own rhyme. Even though like the grammar was weak, figures of speech and everything being in line, but at least being balanced with what I could understand, what I could utter. Yeah, I was working on what I had.
Umamela abantu abarepa ngezingama now force ukubhala ngezingama.
Force ukubhala ngezingama yabo bengekafiki lento ukuthi ngishaye rap ngesikhathi or something. Yabo.
Then do you remember your first song?
Yo, my first song I still remember my first song.
Yeah.
It was called I Crack My Style.
Okay.
There comes a time when I crack my style. There comes a wide when I crack my style. Like it was wide, but at least it was something.
Sure. But you reading Buibambi.
Yeah, at least
sure.
Being stable to the beats.
What inspired the song?
The way in Sean community, I ended up having thoughts of which I can do this on my own. I can write my own lyrics and everything. So that drive,
but the topic we are because
cracking my style, which for me it meant okay, I can present my own raps as well.
That's what's up.
Sure. That was the whole idea of the song.
Yeah.
It's okay, I can do this as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then from Lapo, we are cooler, lyrically. The confidence yakula. Then again, ngena kanjani the music professionally?
Back in the day, it was like we used to attend clubs, There was not really that much good music industry for hip hop, but music industry was there so far.
Was it indawo yabomre?
Yeah, Khoseni, Nico, Kale from there. But for me, it was a bit difficult because hence with Dala Besenzan, like we used to bring beats and plan the beat level 10, then we would start rapping over those beats and everything.
Sure.
So I thought malam benokshaya keyboard against my instrumentation in the keyboard. So I used to tape those instrumentations with cassette. Me and I clapping. So I was the first to come around the club with
Your own
cassette with my own beat
Sure.
and everything. Wow. So people were like, yes, man. Out there, shanga beat live, Tina shanga abo EPMD,
Sure.
abo Wu-Tang, Triumph, you know the beat, like. So lo muntu uzange beat like it was surprising for most of people, yabo.
But wabe nekwala.
Yeah, equal obviously bekhona because benginokuvadeleka ukuthi hayi le shanga amabhizi ayawek. Ayi izongena ekugcineni. So like to an extent ukuthi vele I got accustomed to ukuthi ngiperform ekugcineni.
Okay.
Yeah, ngitshela. Ngine sengijwayele right
Yeah.
automatically ukuthi angizongena ekugcineni.
Sure.
As long as banginikile i-chance.
Ungenakwala as long as uperformile.
As long as ngiperform into bengilo. Likwali mhlambe benga rise from me not being able to perform at all.
Sure.
Yeah, that would be something that amachita angicophe.
So wabana bakhumbulayo back in the days because ngiyakhumula bekunabo Lemon and stuff.
Yeah.
Wabana
There was
especially when
Hypergenics.
you
First is Hypergenics.
Okay.
You are machita.
That's an OG.
You are machita vele.
Sure.
Engasho ukuthi angigrow further into hip hop like machita wanting access to music like to hip hop. Yeah, United States mostly. Like LPs, your CDs and everything. Hypergenics, Infinite Squad, Invaders, about Clexin Squad, Cyanide. Yo, like there's a whole lot. I'm a cheater. Like,
Oh, yawazi namagama ko ekudala phela boy MC.
yeah, amagama ama poison, amagama ama chemical.
Sure.
Yazi hip
Bomela
hop.
uthuze from ngegama nje.
From ngegama
Yeah,
nje,
yeah.
ngitshela.
Okay.
So then again, yeah. From lapho nje, yo. It started growing. Up until there was this perception of Buffett writing like we're doing music actually. So
Sure.
we have to be aligned to the industry and
Yeah.
check it out. That's when everything started to get involving with music like,
Sure.
in a musical way
Yeah.
to the industry extent. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Then asikhulume ngamashow akudala. Because mina ngicava hip hop from isikhathi samakota tour yabo Jabo Forefront and stuff.
Yeah,
So
so
asikhuluma
it's one of those shows, like it's one of the pioneering shows.
Okay.
Our hip hop, like us,
Sure.
local hip hop. Kota Tour, which was started by Orla Lenza.
Okay.
Lenza, no Spliff. They started the Kota Tour. Then later on, but you know, Bollocks. Success that is.
Sure.
Yeah, out here, man,
Yeah.
sure.
My review beyiphethe mos hip hop. Yini beniphethe iflag okay like because ukuthi nje amesivisa hip hop.
Like I don't know about that, but like I would like to disagree on what you're saying.
Okay.
Because there were like cats like Abanswambo from Ekas,
Okay.
Emoedi, like we had the Amachita Abo Hitler. Then I had my homeboy Uskito, Begatlale Emoedi.
Okay.
Beganswambo naye, like yeah, like Ilogish as a whole. Even the Hypergenics, it was from Mqanzi. But like you could swear mabarapha ukuthi umhlamba kuyeview maybe esingamla. The level of isingamla.
Hypergenics
But like you got tile, yeah.
Okay.
Or other Kai.
Sure.
Hieroglyphics.
Uvave yena no.
Yeah, ukhona. Ukhona machita. Ukhona.
sorry.
Sekoma Grootman, ngithi uyazi ukuthi
Sure.
asilandeleli ngokufana yabo.
Okay. Then hip hop yakhula. Mina Paragon ngicaba sekavela kuma Hype magazine. Ngithi diplomile nini endlini. Channel O na Paragon yabo. Ali yasekasi. Ilenzo imbo. Ngacaba ukuthi ngizobloma nawe kanje ngithola.
Sure, bro.
Vele ile top yabo. Kumela ngelinye ilanga save bona enye event ine sound kule event kuthiwa hayi event eka Paragon leya yabo uye udriver ne van le la uthethwa kule kuna rumors futhi bathi hayi ezinye zithi hayi isipani VAT in esicaba into zasekazi
Eshuyazi amabare.
sure so
But
ufika kanjani kuleyo level leyo because of I remember ngizwa ku YFM for all this
ukhareza like krapa keep on knocking yabo into bengiyenza.
Sure.
Because what we used to do besange SABC.
Sure.
So drop ama demos la yabo.
Yeah.
Metro FM drop it lapha. Next week must fika abadala idemo yini lahlekile or ini so singapheli inhliziyo silahle vile drop another copy kanjalo up until someone listens to my music. Things started to I started as a solo, but along the way ngazama form up some groups yabo about distinguished orators. Dio Squad, it was me and Kaitron. From lapho I changed that.
That's why lengoma le Kaslam is Kaitron Paragon.
Yeah, being Spanish Kaitron. It was actually produced by him. Kaslam.
Okay.
The beat itself, yabo. So I push on Kaitron. Then we came to a point which is from Upper Last Days Clan, which is Last Days Fam. People don't know that, but
you were part of Last Days Fam.
I was part of that, like back in the day, my car, when it was formed.
Sure.
I was part of that, but along the way now I'm gonna choose my own route.
Yeah, my podcast is important. I'll tell.
Very much.
Meaning people now it's okay. So when you got Last Days Clan.
We recruited Untlanta, Griffin, no Arsenic, no Bonafide was one of the first members of Bonafide.
Sure.
Which he's still a member now.
Okay.
Then again, afterwards, Masenghambi wabakhona nabo Landmark.
Sure.
Abo Plain Train and everything. Yeah.
Sure.
Lapho beseng venture into my solo self.
Yeah.
Beseng push ngami ezinye ikwadi zami.
Okay.
Because nami kahle the style of rapping being is push. Yiso esenza ukuthi kube ne-split yabo. Last Days Clan was about gospel type of rap.
Sure.
Upright type of lyrics and everything.
Then I'm okay.
The Paragon side I was more of like against that rap.
Sure.
Because I grew up around.
Ubukebeni.
So uyazi lokishini yamtshela.
Ngazange maleri sakukhuluma ngama-toaster
yonke lenyanga yamtshela.
Amabhiya bese nigeze.
Thela utshwala kugcwala ibhavu.
Nale line le
splash ugasi.
Yeah, le number le picture kusha le line that's why I still remember those lines.
So yeah, like that was the case then.
Sure. Then ke uthe until someone anigaya indlebe asibuyele lapho kuleso story SAPC.
SAPC, that's Metro FM specific. Let's drop my demo. We used to drop demos. I think I'm a presenter because I saw Penny Libiane, if you're on Penny Libiane and this guy was Zeg. So we used to drop demos and everything. So what about interviewer or Pro Kid?
Sure.
A Metro.
Yeah.
Like I'm shy around. But being a young Metro on that day, I was heading to another radio station in New Hassel.
But around
I think being 5 FM or something.
Okay.
Then they spotted me. The very same DJs and presenters we met. Bang, they say, so hard to like, we've actually listened to your demo, at last, it's hot in here. Ganti, all of a sudden, bang, bizela, the interview got Pro Kid, Pro Kid interview, I level up on over the phone and everything.
Okay.
So like they made us battle on the spot. So mababona mina bangkhwaza vele. Then we did a smaller showcasing of some raps. People would say it was a battle. It was not a battle. It was just a sharing of skills.
Okay.
That's where okay.
But that's why I'm just American respect as well.
Vele maslangana lapha. We met. I knew Pro Kid from previous. There's no mixtape like this is Panabuyo. So he was also featured in that mixtape.
Okay.
Beba TV Lab. Esiyenzele Rabi Rich. So ngimazela Rabi Rich is record studio.
Okay.
Bengaqala ukumbona Pro.
Also so it has a record Rabi Rich.
Yeah, like that's how the hustle was.
Sure.
Yeah, so like okay.
But abantu were interested. Bazofuna ukwazi ibhetile ambition.
Ibhetile mfethu. Into yanze ukuthi ngoyine la. Okay, uprobe kasashanga singani. Yabo. Ay ngafika mina ngashanga ngerap yami esikhathi. Most people like took it as quiet at first.
Yeah.
But like as they gave me a chance and listened to it actually. Kanabatolo with Diamond. This is like rap. This is hip hop. This is pure rap. There's rhymes, there's figures of speech, there's grammar, there's everything.
Sure.
And so yiyo-ke into yawinisa mina-ke la because ProKid bekangena shama verse wakhe wesingami la-fancy skilled vele ngezwa vele awuthi inswambo mina ngibase ngesikasi vele kanti into ezongiwinisa people were not used to ikasi rap at that time even yena ProKid if bekasaphila he would have confessed if bekakhona ukuthi bro you the one who came with this kasi rap idea so I took it from you yabo
shout out
but ayisho ukuthi ProKid ungibhayithile as such no because we are far two different MCs as rap not rap far
sure then after lapho so bhekile uPro angala like angakazinzili igama yabo so but lento le yakwenzakalani like in terms of confidence now because of you battled someone on the national radio station
so lapho even my name became
yabane weight
yabane weight ukuthi khona yabazophara khona yasethembisa enye then from there forth we did ama jingles for YFM
okay
so I was invited by Ulo Tato and Tato breakfast show
sure.
DJ Fresh no Tato the producer yalo show yabo ku Proverb
okay
so Tebuho kind of hooked up with me with that I'm fit. Can you do jingles and everything? Because I can see like we've been holding ciphers, we're trying to break in. Then we started doing jingles for YFM through Proverb, that is. After Lapo Zabuya, people started hearing my jingles from YFM. Then they come and go under. They connect to Paraco. And at that time was this boy Konabo Zaps.
Zaps the last letter.
Game with boy. Konabo Specs, Konabo Mischievous MC, Abo Mischief. So like Abo Amo. So each J-Sec was hot.
Sure.
Mangit J-Sec.
You know
what it is, yeah.
Yeah, like
so each J-Sec was
even like Hypnic is in that was a language.
Yeah.
With Johannesburg was J-Sec. Then there's PTA. Yeah, then there's
Cape City.
Yeah.
Sure. Your mother city, Cape Town.
Sure. Yeah. Cape City, Rap City.
So yeah, like things I just boo, just keep up like.
We discuss some like
yeah, we discuss very like say hip hop, we has introduced. So battles like where they
sure.
We into a leader.
And the into was to prepare right.
Yeah, I'm trying to prepare right. But it's funny because I was more of a songwriter. Being trying to put ingoma pelele, ingoma like you know. Even though I could freestyle, but like my mission was to have songs.
Sure.
Then I've accomplished ingoma so I at least track so.
Okay. Then again, so I cover was house, I cover my MC Apaya and stuff. If a recording deal again.
Hey, a recording deal. Gang. Okay. From Lafo the Pro. John Bang show Nabo ProKid this is Panagui mixtape heavy lap,
sure.
So even Nama Talent Scouts, they were listening. They were having chances with Mamela, those kind of things.
Because I remember Carlo, we signed up on rap.
So yeah, when Ikalo was and especially Masen Carlo when I'm matching it, the YFM. So yeah, Ikalo like was aware. Okay, there's this kid from Timbisa from Timbisa. So I call Funega. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened there. I don't want to paint anyone's name, Gabi. But to the people I was working with, apparently, those people were like, para so like there's no way that you can have a para any young child. So I lose a ganja.
So was signing na machito was para na.
They didn't sign anything. Like it was just a verbal mutual agreement. Jenga machita sibaya sonke kasi ni. But singazi ke behind my back how they handled things or like they portrayed our working relationship.
Sure.
So Ikalo there was this Sipo guy,
Supposed to.
Sipo Store.
Yeah.
Apparently, ngathi bekumuntu ozwile ngaphakathi.
Supposed to look saying Spara Camp.
Afuna mina.
Mr. Selvin, almost every rapper.
Uthe makaba disappointed ukuthi athole Paragon. Then he went for Pro Kid. It was exciting Pro Kid. Egal. It was supposed to be me.
Okay.
And the very same year, futhi ngafahla for some other things.
But I'll tell you what so singaringa ngazo lezi. This is a podcast of me.
Sure.
This is okay igama lakho ngithola.
Yeah, like ngafahla for a Schedule 6 crime.
What is that?
Unlicensed firearm.
Okay.
Yeah,
But ngepanditela ngisho.
yeah, we can say like I did my time for that.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Lento yofahla ika-affect kangakanani or because of abomrap abaningi vele mawuyejela babuya ba-west babuya ba-gangster west so yenzile lento le ikwenzelile
Ingi-affectile nami to that extent yokuthi ngithe mangiphuma like kwaba ngathi ngiwest nyana into yangisindisa ngasho nje ukuthi music yabo because my heart was solely based on music actually. Even though I did live a life of crime in a way yabo but I told you guys that the choice of music over a life of crime. So
but why push away against the rap now because I understand
so yeah
so buya naphakathi
ngenzani ngathatha this gangster everything I portray into my music.
Okay.
Unokuthi ngiyiphile physically kwabo ngiriske my life my future and everything.
It's calling almost politician.
Yeah. Power, Pussy and Pistols, the title of my first album. I bought it.
Okay.
Effed Up Ways. Yeah, I'm trying. I bought it because judgmental and I bought it.
Okay.
Because that's where I was personal, like
sure,
with everything. So like, yeah, I bought those tracks.
Yeah. Then ke ubuyile jele. So sekazi vye.
Then uphuma kwami, what we did, we dropped my first album, my debut album.
Sure.
With Triple P.
Sure.
Power, Pussy and Pistols.
Sure.
From 2004. Yeah.
Okay.
We dropped that album and back in the day, it was independent. But we managed to push more than 2,000 copies. Yama cities and Spicer from the back of the boot, you know. Like,
sure.
Yeah, like I push kanjalo, but
so that's why ngoma zakho. Sizangena kanjalo.
No wonder now again unengoma zami.
Sure.
Afika kanjalo,
sure.
So, especially Kaslam.
Yeah. Because
yeah,
of
it was the first.
Spread ngendlela because mina bengizoyibhaya obviously iCD then ngizokhophela ubani nobani. As much as we pirates marele every day. It's also
the
part
music
of marketing. It's marketing because
was being marketed
sure,
at the very same time.
That's
what I like. Which okay, piracy they call tape wakwenziwana duplicate wakwenziwana. But for me na bengichazwa nje ukuthi okay, music uyatholakala uyafika uba ne certain of outreach yabo.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how I felt.
Yeah. Then ngiyasikhuluma ngeKaslam.
Kaslam.
Ngengoma le ize kanjani? What was the inspiration behind the song?
Kaslam, inspiration behind the Kaslam. I think it's songs like they tracks I was Snoop, like Regulate.
Okay.
For example, it's one of the tracks that motivated me. Like being a Snoop, about 2 and 3.
Sure, yeah.
Streets 2 and 3. Yeah. So I was like, okay, now I'm going to
even Nabo Park,
California and everything. So I had this idea and I'm like, it was a creative stance type of a thing, my God, because I was like, okay, now I can rhyme about my hood. Ngarayima ngeSutwana, ngarayima ngeCitybank, ngarayima ngeMfihlweni, ngarayima ngeNdulwini, ngeCaca, kanjalo ngiyangithola. Then like I had this idea, okay, it's a track dedicated to la ngibuya khona.
Okay.
Like I thought it was a dedication, like a tribute to Tembisi. That's how Kaslam came about. Then Kaitron produced the beat. I was like, okay, I'm feeling this beat.
Oh,
can I take it and use it for Kaslam?
Sure.
Back in the day, we used to have our sessions at Kempton Park Studios.
Okay.
Monday no Jack, bus recorder, see, it's overnight at camp.
Okay.
So one night we went there, we recorded Kaslam, which was produced by Kaitron.
Sure.
And it was a success from Qala nje. Ukuthi izwakale nje. Akwaba ipiece, kwaba itrack, kwaba hit.
That's not a hit, bro. It's a classic.
It's a classic, yeah.
Yeah, up to this day, it's relevant. It's actually classic. So inspired kanjani ukuthi Kaslong?
Because it was Kaslong, it's through shows like Abo Kotato.
Okay.
They gave birth to Kaslam take list. Ikhona promoter because there's no bamba Kotato mhlawumbe esiziba. Like around Tembisa ama townships waseKasi wonke yabo. That's how the song came about to be spread.
I remember first time I attended. So it's not just being to but I attended
Basel Park. I was keeper.
Basel Park.
I was keeper.
Sure.
It's keeper playing with that. Like I have memories of TOM as a group performer, HI4P, Abom Dues, Abo Dami.
Sure.
You know, like cats like used to come and perform. Abo Black Pharaoh used to perform as well. Manyora, Felsh and Max used to be there as well. So like Kotato like
sure.
Introduced a whole lot of cats.
But he the evaluating this because of only few made it to the mainstream. Eventually make us party like you must count it so wait like for instance to count ukuthi kunabo F-Easy, kunabo Procade, kunabo Ammunition, kunabo Mr. Selvin mabaya. But ethembisa this is a count Paragon, this is a counter which one for yeah reptile.
Hieroglyphics, Kaitron, kanjalo.
Sure, nabo
Majida.
Nabo Last Days Fair, Last Days Fair and stuff. Yeah. Sure. It's only a few.
Only a few, young child.
Yeah.
It's only a few.
But why? Kune talented para. Yini into ivalela Majida?
I think into Skawatide, I think this. Like that's my personal perspective. I'm not sure what it's very here there. But like the way me ngibona ngakhona. Like unionizing, like we don't unite. Asna
united.
Asna movement.
Unit.
Yeah, asna unit and a peswalo asna movement, which is firm. You know, like
most of these rappers, most of these rappers, Slachis is proof.
Okay, not this case abane Kotato, the Tribe of Judah movement. There was a movement this case I vula. Nabo DJ Killer Kane, peace to Killer Kane though. The best DJ Tembisa. Nabo Killer Kane, namachita nje like. But the movement zange ibe strong because ngeke realizing into about us as artists or Tembisa.
Sure.
See too much competitive towards each other.
Okay.
To an extent we blurry the future of ourselves as a Tembisa doing things out there.
But new generation we became bazamile because of
yeah, bazamile bomikm.
And it's Kanda ngisho.
Bazamile is Kanda.
Yeah. And it's a movement, but
and in that period yabo mikm I was like, yeah, I want to Tembisa. It's being seen out there, it's being known okay.
That last still Grave Town Entertainment.
Grave Town,
sure. With
Peace to Orla, Devil. Sure. Rest in peace. Peace to Abokonda, Grave Town as a whole.
Killer
Brain.
Sure.
Abafit, I want to very pushana. Is a second.
So
like lack of unity.
Generation le you are abane hope to create this my siyahlangana team.
Siyahlangana ngiyangithola. But like nje all of a Sunday nje that unizing it collapse nje ngiyangithola. Reasons for that I wouldn't state mhlambe straight up like but like angazi kwenze again the unity that we once had yavele nje ya flop.
Sure.
Yeah. So I think it's like unizing.
Okay.
We need to unite as artists, none. See, but too much competitive. With the angangchili, no games na show work. Angangchili no para work. Like we won't go nowhere with that.
So,
Many is upliftana, at least, and as better recognized and mapping hip hop.
last is no Mickey sikhulumile ngendaba ye-hype magazine.
Yeah.
Wona ungena kanjani ku-hype uthiya? Because yena uyakhala ukuthi like bekafisa ukungena and it was big. Because i-season school ithathe yambeka lapha still no hype magazine.
I think ukungena kwami ku-hype is through the people I was working with at that time. The runners that I had that time, Machita were well connected.
Okay.
Connected na Machita very we hype.
Sure.
There was this Machita like own hype. I'm caught up to the camera. So Machita were connected to him. So they used to send me music. The time I was spitting out to see Pusha or Paragon. Can you hear a track here? Actually, a track. So they managed to put it go hype sessions and so.
Yeah.
I think it was. Even the SOS, a group called SOS, yeah. Now we were involved in me being played, being selected for my hype sessions.
Okay.
Hence, I was saying, unison is very much important.
Sure. Then, Channel O. Because back then, I'm going to Channel O, you will be big achievement. So, it benefits a lot of TV. And the first time I was born on a feeling, just share the feeling with us.
Hey, in fact, I'm not shy with you. But at the same time, I'm going to two things with him. I'm going to go to the so, like that pressure they call at the same time. That excitement they call it. Okay, finally things are starting to shape up. Yeah, like I felt ganja. Yeah, at least isn't to the I was happy, more or less. Yeah. Which I've been planning, which is going to see. I should see at least. Yeah, it's 7.
The image you have because of you, like even a sleeve walk or wonky, like what is that thing that you portray?
Paragon portray Ukas. Yeah, how Ikas shaped me.
But you shine to that flashback and stuff in
yeah, I think it was a mahuz and so like back in the day. I know my that's how you bro, like with your back hunch tinyana yangithola ayibazo style ehuzu yini yeah even the walking could count ethembisa ukuthi uhamba kanjani ngithola how you walk we could tell with that ibhara sethembisa
okay
how you walk we could tell with that clever sethembisa
nale uringa ngakhona
ngithola nale uringa ngakhona kanjalo
because mina izibhayi indawo abantu bayangitshela ukuthi uyithembisa
and at the same time futhi like my hunching the hunching off my back most of the time. Stress is cause I cannot realize. Okay. Yeah, I've faced too much things. Stresses on my part and mashuti. Ngina wabona like uhlala stress. Ugcina sowugobekile stress. Yangithola. So that thing now it's idlala irole yayo. Stress idlala irole.
Awuthemba ungena uphuma ku rehab. Madrugs ungena kanjani?
That was a very deep journey for me, or situation to be in. My drugs in fact, my drugs in. After I face up with a couple of tragedies. I lost my 2 daughters. In 2008, I lost one of my daughters. Then here in 2011, I buried my brother, like being close now. It was Bulala, we committed suicide. So in order for me to be sharp, I didn't swallow that immediately.
Okay.
In the long run. So the effect of it, couch why there isn't to fail body bodies and like into the uncle has bodies. I committed suicide. So like
pile up.
Yeah, as a pile up. But being into drugs was a suicide mission
Eish.
as well for me, because there was a point whereby I was suicidal, like straight up. So I was beer, I science focal, I science leaks, and it takes time to in coward. Since I'm going to coward, let me try these poisons and everything. Should like it? That's why I stress my drugs. And besides, I grew up in an environment. The societies we are that's we are called. Drugs were rife. Drugs were there, like into besibona to abantu eswisha ngathi ama role models wethu sinini other material, so not we thought maybe it's a good thing to do.
Sleeper from Star Camp story to tell you drugs are so available, you think they sell them in shops.
Like the way Young Child Fit. Yeah, like you would think over the counter you can have Inyaope or like whatever drug of choice.
So
the way you want to call.
So the access to one at any time.
The access and the influx, not the way the society has been overwhelmed by drugs in a corner.
But I think at the point you could do events among the interrupt. Man la blind la want to in the kasi.
Yeah.
They were shady then so we were in the food.
Okay, back upon that, what I will try to clarify with it, I'm a role model as well to location. Must not say a pace as commitments. They can say about that into the idea as a sharp.
Okay.
My whiskey being a team visa, Vangy PM, ISC, young child party spam. That was the real deal, like, yeah, that's what's needed, young child. Whereas it was not a good thing. But from last year, you know how township life influences you, young child. Sbona ikebe ngwa hero.
Sure.
Color from that, right? Yeah. You would see embrace it. Into sharp.
Okay.
Drugs and violence and guns. Embrace it as a zinto. Yeah. That's one.
Okay. So, as a rehab, first time I'm in rehab is a holiday. Take us through the process.
First time I'm in rehab, I was like, I'm going to go take better things. Nothing's in down. Then down there, I find these people don't have my kind of stresses. They do not have my kind of problems and everything. Young talk. Only to find out, must be there 100 sessions and everything. What time, man? I want to know, like they've been through what you've been through, even worse than you might think, young child. Like my first time at rehab, was like I had this courage, okay, but at the same time I was scared that so like this is how far the damage has been in relation to substance abuse and young child. Yeah, like there was a bit of hope. At the same time, a bit of hopelessness.
But you sounded so positive, because you used to text me, in pause, I'm flasking for any time, I'm saying the number so. Like
you see,
you're looking forward to Pumanini and Spana, so I remember like you military t-shirts, military when I came to National, what I would say with it, when you start to like after a detox process, I need to figure out rehab. There's this first week of detoxing and everything. Then after a detox process, so grand, so back into your actual self, so actual mind, so. Ubanale feeling with the hazi, I can make it out there and everything. So rashele, I wish you about a pan. So bona to police. Sure. Ganti. The journey of addiction is an OTC. It's a very long, adventurous journey. I've seen Tonji the pedal overnight. It's being addicted comes with damages, some permanent. So let's just focus on the long-term negatives of drugs. Higher cost applying the program.
nokuthi uphume ku-addiction, it takes a very big step, like spiritual upliftment of some sort, enzima nje. Without a higher power, like what I can say, without a higher power, you cannot.
It's impossible.
It's impossible. It's impossible.
So you only need God to help you.
Yeah, you only need umdali mfethu. So, yeah, but the journey of substance abuse taught me a lot, bro. And at the same time, nginokubonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi angifake to such situations, because some of the things I've seen while I was an addict, I wouldn't have seen if I was not involved at all in substance abuse. So ezinye izinto engizifundile through that stage, ngifundile nje ukuthi aze abuya la emhlabeni.
Asiringa ngamanye incident abhedayo yabo. You're trying to dent your reputation, but there was a time umphakathi ngathi ufuna ukukushaya.
Ngiyakhumbula le Winnie le.
Yeah,
Winnie Mandela.
Yeah, because ngathi ngathola i-call in fact ngathi ufuna ukawuthi uphara ngathi akhe ngezwakala. Yabo. So ipoint yabo ukuthi you moving from being a superhero. Phela wena uyikasi superhero intwana zonke like role model yazo wonke umuntu uyafuna ukufana nawe yabo. Nasekasi bonke umuntu makakubona ufuna ukushaya isithombe nawe ufuna autograph to a guy manje sebayibiza ngonyawo bese bafuna ukuyishaya ikasi bafuna ikhawathe kangakanani into le.
Inkhawathe kakhulu bro, because okokuqala nje being an addict, it draws you to every negative thing from society nje, whatever into a negative they associate it with you. Yeah,
sure.
So that it was a case of mistaken information. I wouldn't say identity. Because I was involved, but not in what, like in a criminal way.
Sure.
Bengizwene nomnikazi we-fridge ukuthi sithengisa i-fridge yakhe.
Sure.
Then angazi kwenzakala waxabana nomfazi wakhe wadla imali. Then what decided ukuthi nomfazi wakhe sitshontshe i-fridge and everything. Which means I was a middleman ekuthengiseni i-fridge. So that was the point. Yeah, ngumuntu osekasi ngicava abantu ngumbhemi.
Yeah.
Ngazo
umjita
quick
cash athi ale inganginceda
quick cash. Awusithola i-quick cash. Ifro yakhe ingamniki leyo mali, so ikwali qala la uthi yawona nophara nidle imali yami, so nitshontshe i-fridge yami might as well, yabo. So mase ivela ku society kwi-community leyo nto akusabuza okuningi.
Utshontshile ukuthi uyabhema.
Utshontshile umbhemi akafe. That's it. That was the situation. So njengoba bengisasho earlier on ukuthi uba addicted, being a drug addict ingifundise into ezibhala. Da ingelezise ukuthi your life can be finished like that. Maui addict. Inkombe even.
Zabantu bakurayitha off.
Yeah, writing off life yakho nje isemnciphekweni at any point of time. Anything can happen to you. Ungasukeleka nokusukeleka just because uyafanele into malahlekile suspect wawe. Kuyatshontshwa ekasi i-associate nawe leyo nto because ungcoli nje oroma around the streets ongasebenzi obulawa ama-drugs, so everything is okufanele yabo. So it taught me into ezinjengalezo ukuthi loving yourself, it's very quite important. Sengikhuluma ukuthi you can lose yonke into from life, your material possessions, your what you can lose, but don't ever lose yourself. Losing oneself,
don't lose your reputation.
Yeah, to an extent you lose your dignity.
Yeah.
Like one thing is to
ungaluzi
umfazi wenzeni,
but ungaluzi reputation yakho.
But ungaziluzi wena.
Sure.
Uziluza wena bram. Sometimes ubhlungu ukuthi there's no coming back from that. So uba nenhlanhla nje if survive that kind of an ordeal, yabo. That's how.
Okay. Ungenile rehab. Wabuye ekhasi wa relapse. So mabuyela for the second time, you feel anjani? Don't feel like you failed your family or abantu laba khafeli rehab for the first time. Or still you don't care because of, like you said, between indlela vele suicide for because
obviously bro, I felt it was a disappointment to my family, to my supportive friends who were supporting me, with be sharp, be disappointment in the young child. Being it clever. Like there was nothing fun about it. Like ukubuyela kwami rehab, ngokurelapse. Like zange kube sharp. Kungikhawathe more. And esikhumbula ukuthi some of the damages are permanent, even if it's a psychological damage. Sure. Ingakhawatha for a very long stretch of time because like sharp, like being in that situation and you wish enough for any situation and that's what I'm doing.
Sure.
So where I rehab, can I tell you something?
Okay.
Go there rehab maybe 4 or 5 times. Why as Namanja came snatch? Again, what keeps throwing me back to the very same thing? Because sometimes I'm rehab, just okay, I'm starting on a new slate and everything, and but people you've heard previously, I would want to be rehab for what you did. Abakhanzilwanga, abakhohlwanga, usabakolota, usabanyanyisa, usasenje, iflop. So I think how you carry yourself as a human being, it's important somehow, because if I will be nalea waqina lo mawuxeka askis mawuxeka ekubanzi ugcina utry umqondo amelanga ube weak. You cannot afford to be weak. Yiko nje engakusho ukuthi kuba weak mele uthandaze. Yeah, uthandaze ukuthi ungabe weak. Because
so do you agree with me mangithi ama-drugs spiritual?
I wouldn't disagree with that, because some of the drugs I've been on, I think are spiritual. They are spiritually propelled, young child. Learning everything. My drugs are spiritual, because you need demon, society I understand if even your own moms, your own parents are understand it. Umntana kahle ungenwe yini kwenzakalani yini inkinga yakhe uloyiwe, or there's some type of demonic system that's operating in him. So we are ngasho ngithi a spiritual.
Uringa le point ukuthi ungene more than 5 times rehab. So mawuphume rehab, sometimes abantu banokuringa kuthi awuphara ubuyile kasi. I understand. So abanye bathi yafana uzobuyela seseyazi le. So lento le ikhawatha kangakanani?
Ikhawatha to the utmost level, because as from Usaya rehab, having people anticipate your recovery.
Sure.
It's it's worse than being an addict. Uthi manje uhanjelwe phambili uthi uya rehab sombona ke manje. Uzombona makabuya so sibone uyaphelela in. It's like you're cursing me in a way. So things like those, they weaken you to an extent to not relapse. Okay. So umuntu sebajaji ukuthi bahlala baye ma rehab yafana. Like it's as if they don't have that hope for when. Before you even have a hope when yourself.
Sure.
They may receive a bandwin, it's foul. So it's criminal plan that most of the time relapses is not decision others.
Okay.
People talking with we are happy in as if manje sekubhekwe mina manje ukuthi okay,
so you move as a class.
Yeah, singing movie as a class. Abantu abasakhona ukuphila impilo zawo babhekane nabo parakhona abasema rehab. Mawuphuma is the very same thing. Ophumile awuzobona simnika nje uma 3 weeks nyana nje 2 months nyana uzobona. So these kind of things they discourage umuntu or fighter that battle of drugs.
Sure. All right, then kunalabantu laba ama supply njani la hobhayisa ama drugs. So mabezwe ukuthi ubuyile abazama ukuwina back abakufari free drugs and everything and then nalabo abubhema nabo because sometimes bathi any solution is to change the environment so akenzeki ukuthi mhlambe usithola umuntu sekakushayela i-round sekakukhipha abantwana bamba so orabheme phambi kwakho ukuthi azokwazi uku-attracta back
leyo into ekhona leyo that's like into ehlezi khona the suppliers will try to win you back umfana ngiphethe esinye staff esisha esingcono kunalesa before uzohamba uyerehab I don't think iphethe izokuphatha kahle
ngeke ikhawat
only trying to lure you back into the substance uyangithola then friends bobhema nabo uyangithola angeke phela nawe ube umuntu odlula straight awusafuna anything to do with amajita
sure
kumele ukhurunta amajita ini so kwabanye thola ukuthi iflop leyo pesa sikazenza ngcono manje sikabuye rehab ini some of them will try ama means ukuthi bakubuyisele back to in a way uyangithola ungarealize afuna ukubuyisela back to damfana asizame le stuff ngalesi uyangithola or yazi le stuff zamanje asezisharp ziyamanage how can you manage life of drugs how can you manage taking drugs wabo they will give you all sorts of ideas which manage just to get you back in and then once you start taking food ayisukile akunakuthi uyazitshontsha ama-drugs
enjaka ama-drugs wazamile njalo swanini nje because of samasiza abantu
zamabhayo
cocaine ishayi
okokuqala izolo ngithatha ezi-drugs
okay
singakayi kude nje for starters siqale kula aphansi from zolo cocaine rock cocaine yiyo-ke mostly I've been having problems with
especially as a rapper uzibona ukhulu
yeah i-rock uyangithola rock cocaine heroin inyawupe yeah those kind of drugs and so ne-cat
okay
there was a point whereby ngaba addicted ku-cat indlela nje enzima
kuyenzeka usibheme sonke isikhathi esi-1 or more addicted to le focus akule for mind
kuyenzeka uzibheme zonke uyi-1
available nje
yeah available should lapho sewuzinikele
yo
sewufika inhliziyo towards yourself cabanga ngithola yeah like it's very rough masekunjalo kusuke sekumosakele ngithola so yeah like nje ama-drugs abhaya from your weed utshwala nabo cocaine rock cocaine cat heroin nyawupe yeah wama-drugs engadlile
ufila njani abantu mabakubiza ngonyawo ukuthi wena phela une-confidence yabo noma ubhala namalayini wakho ama-lyrics akho uzibiza ngenkosi nokulahlela amanye amabhazi ukuthi mina nginsuyeni ngiyazazi then abantu bakubiza ngonyawo ufila njani
to answer that awona ukuze ube unyapho first of all so uzilahlile wena so uzidisownile so heartless to yourself so omunye umuntu makubiza nyapho usubayenza kancane wena dala was declare unyapho not to even name yourself to declare yourself with your lifestyle ukuthi unyapho so uqalile umuntu makubiza ezinyapho usadlala sometimes you will get angry at some point but enhlizweni wazi ukuthi iqiniso liyababa uyile nto abantu abayibonayo ngithola angeke bakusukele bathi unyapho ungabhemi nyapho
okay
so sometimes yakwatisa sometimes you have to bear with that because it's the truth and the path you chose yeah so it is what it is sinasho ubuhlungu khona but back
and igcina seyijwayele label esingafethi
label
uyitholile nyawo ukuthi bakubiza bana nini
the way ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi wena uzideclare ezonyawo self so ubizwa abantu ezonyawo sube ukudlala wena sewuthatha i-decision yokuba unyawo already ukubizwa ezonyawo awusenandaba should the way lento ikwenza ube heartless ngakhona to even yourself be heartless to yourself just imagine
I was driving around ikasi enye money inkomba abanye amajita ngibona amajita ahleli lapha ayasijova namajita yabo so lento yabo ngathi bathi iyadura so wife uyiwami uyasijova abamele bamlinde mangathi yangena esystemini bese asijove yena or ebhema ngazi
but thathe lo guys I'll transfer
ivarenze
noma bluetooth in here okay although I've been involved drugs in that part of situation, but I've never actually seen that yenzeka with my naked eye. I've been hearing that. Yenzeka leyo nto ukuthi abantu bashare igazi but I've never heard that. Like I've never seen it.
But any question nami ukuthi i-drug enjani?
Inyaupe, it suppresses everything, like your emotions, how you feel. Like outside in Enda, it kills emotions.
So laba basijova inoma abaningi babeminyoko.
Okay. But Pemane crystal, some of them mix it with crystal
so le bayikhipha la transfer ngegazi suyiyo le nyoko.
Sube kuyi-heroin, sube kuyilo leyo nyaupe leyo. Just imagine the risk in that. So I understand. Like there's too much risk. Like there's contaminated needles. There's sicknesses. I'd say AIDS bad. And so the carnival, hepatitis B, and like there's a lot. Who pose a risk of endangering him or herself.
It's because of Akasenanda.
So it's give up. Like the drug give up beside with let me just get it fixed and get high, get it fixed and get high up until like that.
Because of one champions still workers.
Now I'm like involved with why? But in terms of establish as time went by, I want to heroin. Why? Like it's a drug as well. So sometimes thina sizokumangaza ama-drugs ukuthi man just mangabhema ukuthi ngithola amandla nje uzibuza amandla waphi mangabhema uma ngabhema ngathi sekaphethwe ubuthongo sekakhathele uyangithola. So I see sharp nje to your health obvious. The minute ingena emzimbeni wakho seyakuvelaphisa.
That's why bakhuluma
slow.
Manje wena why bengakwenzi kanjalo because of still more rap
I think the overdose account.
Okay.
Yeah. If mhlambe wena ubhema 5 bag, that's an overdose.
Okay.
So if you ubhema 1 bag per day or 2 bag per day, that's lesser. Even the effect yakhona izoba less. If you thole out ilele strateni ifuna ukugibeza straight line mara umuntu akhona ulele uzibuza utawu la usike ngimisa taxi mari lele uyangithola i-overdose umuntu akhona ubhema 5 to 6 bags.
Inkinga zethu azifani.
So inkinga zethu azifani and then hustle yethu ayifani. If ngizogibeza abantu abayi-1000 ngelanga ngithola R2 per person, just imagine how much money am I making, which means
R1,000 R2 so it's 2,000,
which means how many bags do I smoke per day. You understand what it's a lot. So the situation is
okay. So, but when again you should work give up and stuff, but still ama-rhyme wakho or ingoma zakho bengashintsha next yini into le bekumotivate ukuthi still ukwazi ukubhala and ube nswembu west nge-writing.
One thing usathana wama-drugs ahluleke kuyo. Okay, ungintroducile kuma-drugs ukuthi ngibe addict, but into emhlukile ukuthi ngidrope my gift.
Okay.
Lapho I was fana njengokugeza bengala lapho ukuthi nakanjani at the end of the day mina ngibe clean.
Sure.
As much as nako music ukuthi phela music ngiyawuthanda noma nekiyeke
because yazi wangikhuluma ngendaba yokugeza nje yazithanga wathi kimi anje ngifasa ngibhayile into zokugeza
yeah
ngiyamangala
like yazi uzdawo
inshallah lo muntu ngesithanga understand
angithi manje ne-experience asifani ngiyangithola.
Sure.
So maso more experience into these things uyabona ukuthi phela ezinye izinto kumele zenzeke. You must be umuntu clean or ogezayo. Even though you overwhelm uphinde uyuse but keep yourself clean and everything. It's possible ukuthi uyilwe leyo nto at least ulwele ukuthi ube clean.
Manje if umuntu ufuna ukusiza kanjani uthi
mawusiza umuntu oyi-addict kumele azisize kuqala. That's the first step. If him or her is willing to help themselves,
wena ukuthi ubuye lo Paragon esimazana. Okay, wena ukuthi ubuye ube lo Paragon esimazini, what do you need? We are reaching out to people now.
Hey, that's a deep question. That's a very deep and important question. For me in Abraham, like for my case, ukuthi ngithola nje itohonyana. Phela ukhumbule ukuthi uma u-addict, you become a thief also.
Sure.
You become a what uyajoyina uba nama criminal records. Gcina ungaqasheki. Ngapha nesikhathi asimanga i-age iyaqhubeka ithi. So in my case, the way sengikhuluthi nangakhona, I would say ukuthi if I can find something to do, a sharp, a creative, a constructive for me. Ezongifakela nenyuku income, ukuthi ngibe sharp to take care. Enye yezinto ezithi ngirelapse. Ngithi mangibuya ngiyabheka kusase the way angatholi isipani angakhona ukuzisupport myself, not to mention to support my daughters and everything. Bese English spirit leyo nto leyo futhi. But if I can find something to do immediately after rehab, that could change things or the course of things.
Asibuyele emuva kancane uThiyami yabo. At your prime uyokaba nestory ukuthi Paragon ungene nesibhamu iYFM, Paragon performa ngamaphanga stage and ngoba nama rumors ukuthi yenye into ekuvalela ama channel because of mess with the wrong people, so that avala yonke impompi nje yami la Paragon makasubmit ingoma engadlala mayengenzi all these things ivarle.
My answer to that, I would say it's 6-7. My answer to that, it's 6-7, 8. It's maybe this, maybe that.
Okay.
It could be true, it could be not true. But it's basically like I had this unruly conduct. Okay. Over gangster to an extent. Coming as Moshe and I'm into my ways of getting help in music at one time.
Sure.
Yeah, like there was this unruly part of me. Jimang Veda as a performer, meaning performing in to show off my tattoos. We used to carry guns in summer show in a studio. Sometimes I went about a call and they were scared to death. With yo, was recording you out, just when we need to keep his palm. We are recording. I can shoot you, shot keep. Once I put that studio, we're listening to him recording. It's right to record. The ultimate recording, so I had this kind of situations. I would say so. Gobai reputation and like a bad reputation that is. But yo, that guy. You're talking about that guy. Don't record and ass and phone. So yeah, sure. And as the story can be cooked up into something more than what happened actually.
And the unfortunate part is cuts up. This is not live. If you go manage, people are live on Facebook.
For instance, I remember this interview. YFM. It's one of the interviews I'm not having there, but I'm doing da okay sangena Rosebank siphumekare ngisengena isiphara ngivangimba ngikhumule ngivangimba amachita ngivana ngiphara mfethu ngithe mana sambeni ningasabi yabo ngapha ngiplagile nje
sure
ngapha phethwe nengudu zama black yabo mangifika lapha eYFM bamangala bo skid na bo boy polo what kind man isilethele bani Ruth Boy Paul was like, okay, let him in. Like, this is interesting, you know. Then I got the interview and everything. Some other caller we are phone. Hey, come on, Paragon. What now, Paragon? Die, Paragon. Minang Tuaring, however, usually out. He's a call. And among a pendulum, among Tuaring out, and Casla con Tuaring. Any mistake, no one's not on the strategy. No one's deep palms, same with doing cocaine, color, Montomazana, so, one subsea. I'm game. Yo, I want to. Hey, which one's in Johnny? kunebhamu emotweni ama-cocaine akalwa amantombazana angagcokanga.
So sibizela amahata manje.
Sengizibizele like sengazi-incriminate in some way yabo. So some of the interviews bewahamba ngi-under influence of drugs and alcohol. Angizizwa nokuthi ngithini. And the team I'm with, ingeka, it just lets me be.
But he's a rap.
So kanti ezinye izinto they are tainting image. Slowly kancane. Eventually thola ukuthi sekudumele yonto ukuthi hayi uphara khona wasethembisa. Hayi lo ibhama nani. Hayi sishap ngaleyo. So I think that's what transpired.
So about the game, about 50, like una influence yabo khona lapho.
Njengoba ubona i-black bandana kanje.
Sure.
Influence ikhona vele from each unit yabo.
Okay.
It's the only guys abashaya amabhandana amnyama.
Sure.
Ngisi-plata, ngisi-creep.
Sure. Then, but in terms of lifestyle now,
yeah, but lifestyle ne-fashion yabo into engingayithanda, so like ngaba under yona. Ngithola lapha uyamazi Paragon umrecognize nge-cap nebhandana. Most of them.
Sure.
Do-rags or ibandana.
Sure.
Cap.
Sure.
That's Paragon. Image.
Yini Paragon?
The word Paragon simply means an example of perfection. Yeah. It's a model of excellence.
Because no Google Paragon very name before kuzovela wena, so that's why sometimes nokuthi mighty Paragon.
Okay, yeah. Even the name Paragon, I got it at school, at high school. I was given by my history teacher. Kumla nilanga nje. Alethi incwadi. It's a test or it's an assignment.
Sure.
But you Wandile Kam. My name is Wandile, my surname is Kam. Wandile Kam. Awunishaye nonke nge-essay. This guy is a paragon of an essay, yabo? I was like, a paragon of an essay, okay? Ngihamba ngabheka le gama. Oh, okay. Then I started calling myself Paragon.
Sure.
Okay. That's how I got the name.
That's what's up. So tell me, mangathola ithuba usipane nomuntu maybe connected or grand financial or whatever way. So how do I ask this question? But given a chance, what will you do better?
Decision making in terms of business, in terms of like everything as concerning myself. I would change the way I decide to do things, the way I take decisions.
Sure.
That's what I would change. And I would also change the concept, the content to your music. Because the lifestyle I was promoting on my music, I'm SIP. So I would change to another. Like in German, I'm trying to be upright with my life.
But we are shooting a passage.
Like that's different because like we're trying to take from archives. So it would show people what I was from what I am today.
And beside it, the passage it's not even about you. It's about lifestyle as a cast with the passage isn't the very related now. Because school osabu bypass sometimes maslanga ne passage.
Yazi purchase nje.
Thola ukuthi umuntu lo oza ngapho uyakusaba nawe uyamsaba nithuthukile. Ubuyele umuntu ukuthi umunye uyisigebenga nithuni crap.
Uzwe istory bathi bambambe inkunzi. Bekahamba epurchase. Nawo ngadlula lapha ebusuku yabo. So purchase has been
That's why ikasa maningi wavalile.
Yeah,
my passage
straight up.
Sure.
So purchase indawo yengozi.
Where to from here?
From here, bro, like it's making lots of music.
Okay.
Because one thing I've realized in I really love music. I wouldn't stop doing music. Okay. I won't stop rapping. Nokuzwa abanye bomrap uthi this is my last album. This is my last offering. What. For me now, I'd rather be a recording artist, but to create music, from now on, it's about creating music.
Should we expect an album?
Creating music.
Should we expect an album from Paragon?
Yeah, probably. Most of.
When?
I'm working on something. I'm not gonna divulge what is Opumani, but like I'm working on something.
Hope you're working with the young producers.
Yeah.
Because we need a new sound from you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because new sound yadingeka.
Sure. Sure.
So nje ngasikudala watch the space. I will be doing a project part of here.
Okay. Yeah. How do we get all of you?
Okwamanje ngitholakala ku Facebook yabo.
Ubani Facebook?
It's Mighty Paragon.
Or rebranding level, so Mighty Paragon.
Yeah, like I was in a process of revamping my handles yabo.
Okay.
Okwamanje people asincengeni lapha ku Facebook, sihlangana ku Facebook okwamanje. Then as time goes by, I'll let you know ukuthi sengitholakala.
And actually YouTube ezinye ingoma zakho nokusithola.
Yeah, na YouTube ngikhona.
Sure.
The stuff that I've dropped on YouTube.
Yeah.
Especially the album engenze last year, No Bollocks. There's a project that I've released, No Bollocks.
Is it under Paragon or is it under Bollocks?
It's 2-man scheme.
What?
2-man schemes. Decided who's be a 2-man scheme.
Oh,
My
so man
collaboration.
about 2 million.
Yeah. My research as a 2-man scheme with the 2 number.
Okay.
Scheme with scheme some.
Sure.
Yeah, but it's 2-man scheme. It's
So
one
the
word.
stream Mamasuga, like
Yeah, like it's one word.
Mm.
It has no spaces. It's one word. 2-man scheme.
Sure.
Mighty Paragon. Yeah, you're gonna find that album. Maybe it's Flex and Beats.
Okay.
Bollocks when's my beats as a producer. I flex on his beats.
Okay.
So that's why I see busy Flex and Beats.
Alright.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's how it is.
That's what's up.
That's the recent. And then keeping a single after that project. There was a Mighty Paragon single about Kumba Fire.
Sure. Yeah, you could come by yatholakala ku YouTube. Mangisearch nje vele wavela yona.
So ngitholakala kanjalo okwamanje.
Okay. That's good to hear. Awuthiyami. Siyabonga mfethu. Thank you for honoring the invitation. Sibonga ukukhuluma nathi.
Well,
And sibonga futhi nokushare story sakho Thiyami yabo.
akubonga mina.
Yeah, because of sizosiza abanye abantu and hope nawe sikusizile because of this is more of a counseling. The more
Yeah. Anyway, like coughing it out, yeah.
Sure.
Incedile lapho nalapho ngithola.
Yeah.
Even though it's hard, but like I'll have to pray. To pray hard. And thanks for having me again.
Songa
in
Thiyami.
podcast acts.
Uyafera Thiyami.
As I keep
Sifanile sinengoma together ndabantu abacala.
Let's promote it. Bazizwe ngithola.
Hayi kwamanje sise podcast ya.
Okay.
Paragon abarep thina sishaya podcast.
Barepa.
Yeah,
Ba podcast. Okay.
uNkulunkulu uyathanda kodwa kwamanje sifocus ku podcast.
Kahle.
Siyabonga Thiyami. Any closing message to our subscribers at home or our fans at Paragon?
Yeah, but for you to make sure that you watch the space, Mighty Paragon on YouTube. I'm still doing music. Please check it out on my YouTube and everything. Mighty Paragon. I've got videos in what you need. I've got a project in Kipi, the 2-man scheme with Bollocks. Yeah, please check it out. You know how it is. Peace to my G-Focus, to my MOF, to my people, to my Tembisans, to my 16, 6, 7.
6, 7.
Yeah,
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button. With next time, I'm going to see the people. Now we are doing so njengoba vele vandaag siva serenka do Paragon. So that's it from you, your boy Sia Cam. All I can say is Eitaola.
Yeah. 16, stand up. 1630 pigs, what's up? Temisa's finest, in Coast Light shows. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Word. Bad. Bomb. Yeah. Fresh outdoors, that's the Mother Earth in the summertime. You're about to witness the birth of the power rhyme. My lyrical content is worse, I'm another kind. Gets giving me problems, I'm murky but fun and blind. Keep with the concept of work, this is how I grind. People who want it, search through, they'll never find. First they would get up, circulate the jet of my tricks in the mix on how I fix this. Velang mind, hey yo, velang mind. You know why? Hey, le ntwana njengomahlathini zirokha ngathi voice ishile. Mina ngiphinde ungizwe ngimamele iflow yazifile. Style ngiyaphana ngesikasi ngesingamla ntwana kuyafana ngiyakulanda ngiyaganda kucypher ntwana ngikushiya umile. Passion ephathini ngifike mele siphithike sente zife ngifike etshwaleni thenge ibhiri Fiji be-AM tekubena ngiteshi mara utacheka ngiphethe style more mfana show ngirap esikasi ngiblind ngathi usmayela so phela sinokurokha ubusuku bonke asithatha ama-chance asikapha amathashu abanye abantu asilahla abaphansi ufuna ikasi rap sinalo ukhona sivuthela bomshishi fika thina sirapha ngesilokishi phamba nenkomishi. It's what it is. Smiley P, Melody.
If it ain't Slim T on production, I don't want it.